Hi, I'm Annie of Patterns by Annie and ByAnnie.com. I cannot wait to show you how easy it is to install ByAnnie's tool-free snaps. These handy snaps are perfect for closing flaps, cases, side tabs, garments, and more. You will love that no expensive press or special dies are needed to install these snaps. All you need are your fingers. Included in every package of ByAnnie's tool-free snaps are 4 full sets of snaps. Each set contains a fashion metal cap, which is recommended for the visible or exterior part of the project, a low-profile plastic cap, recommended for the non-visible or interior part of the project, and a stud and a socket, which are used to connect the snaps. Note that the stud is the male portion of the snap, and the socket is the female portion of the snap. Begin by organizing the pieces for each snap set. For this demo, we will attach the stud and metallic cap to the exterior flap of this case. The socket and plastic cap will be attached to the front of the case. Decide where you want to attach the snap and mark placement lines on the flap. ByAnnie patterns that call for these snaps will specify where to mark each of these lines. At the intersection of the 2 just marked lines, create a hole in the fabric. Open the flap to make sure that the hole goes only through the flap. ByAnnie's Extra Sharp Awl makes this step super easy. It has a very sharp, strong point that easily separates the fibers of the project, and its tapered shank makes it easy to gradually increase the hole size and achieve a consistent hole diameter. From the outside of the wallet, insert the post of the metallic cap into the hole. And to ensure a strong connection, make sure that there are no threads covering the post. ByAnnie's stiletto and pressing tool works exceptionally well to move any threads out of the way. Once the post is clear, press the stud portion of the snap set onto the post, making sure that the stud side is up. Firmly press the 2 pieces together with your fingers to join. You will hear it click when they are joined. If your fingers aren't strong enough to press the pieces together, use something hard like a small ruler on top of the stud to make it easier. Now we're ready to attach the socket and plastic cap to complete the snap set. Some ByAnnie patterns will direct you to mark placement lines. For this demo, we're just going to fold the flap down onto the front of the case and press to create an indentation. Make a mark at that point, and as before, create a hole. Be careful to make the hole only through the case front. From the inside of the case, insert the post of the plastic cap into the hole. Move any threads off the post. Then press the socket portion of the snap set over the post of the cap, ensuring that the socket side is up. Firmly press the 2 pieces together to join and listen for the click to know that they are joined. And that's it, your snap set is installed. There are so many ways you can use these handy snaps, so give them a try. Keep in mind that due to the length of the posts, material thickness limitations do apply to their use. We have installed snaps in vinyl, in 2 layers of fabric quilted with soft and stable, in webbing, in 4 layers of interfaced fabric, and all of those worked really well. We've also installed snaps to a strap made with polypro strapping inside a fabric tube and to 2 pieces of quilted fabric. Those last 2 options worked, but we felt that they really pushed the limits of the snaps. Be sure to ask for ByAnnie's tool-free snaps and Extra Sharp Awl at your local quilt shop or find them at ByAnnie.com. We are so excited to see how you will use these snaps, so be sure to share your pictures with us on social media. Find us on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and YouTube by using @PatternsByAnnie. Be sure, too, to enter our monthly photo contest for a chance to win $50 in ByAnnie credit. Thanks so much for watching. Happy stitching!